This is the definitive guide to resolving Instagram links sent via WhatsApp failing to open. After personally experiencing this frustrating connectivity gap and testing numerous approaches, I have pinpointed several effective resolutions that I will now share with you. The primary reason this issue occurs often stems from corrupted app data or improper permission settings that create a communication barrier between WhatsApp and Instagram's link handling protocols. Method 1 addresses this directly by first forcing the Instagram app to close, which clears its temporary memory and resolves minor glitches. Next, clearing the Instagram cache removes potentially corrupted temporary files that might interfere with link processing. Updating the app ensures you have the latest version with bug fixes. Restarting your phone is a universal fix that refreshes the entire device's operating system, often resolving background conflicts. Checking WhatsApp link settings ensures that WhatsApp is configured to correctly hand off links to other applications. Reinstalling both Instagram and WhatsApp provides a clean slate, removing any deep-seated corruption. Method 2 focuses on system-level configurations. Granting Instagram necessary permissions like access to storage or external links is crucial for its functionality. A stable internet connection is fundamental for both apps to communicate. Temporarily disabling a VPN can rule out network interference. Resetting network settings can resolve underlying connectivity problems. Updating your phone's operating system ensures compatibility. Checking for app conflicts helps identify if another app is interfering. Using a different browser, if applicable, tests if the issue is browser-specific. Method 3 involves direct interaction with how links are handled. Opening Instagram directly and then copying and pasting the link manually circumvents any automatic handing off issues. Checking and clearing the Instagram default browser's cache can fix internal WebView problems. Enabling background app refresh ensures Instagram can process links even when not actively in the foreground. Method 4 covers less common but still relevant issues. Verifying Instagram account status and WhatsApp message integrity ensures the source data is sound. Ensuring correct link format and removing special characters prevents malformed links from causing errors. Asking a sender to resend the link or testing with different links helps isolate if the problem is with a specific link or a broader app issue. Finally, reporting the issue to Instagram provides developers with feedback to further improve the app.